This video is a brief look at the Bronica ETRS Medium Format camera, which was manufactured in various guises from 1976 through to 2004. It came with different film backs, one for 220 film, which is no longer readily available, and also 120 film, which is readily available and still very popular. This model has the 120 film back, along with a 75mm f2.8 lens and metered prism finder. I picked up this camera in an estate sale over 10 years ago, and it cost €40 for the complete kit at the time. It was dusty and a little grimy, but I took a gamble and brought it home. It then sat at the back of my camera cabinet until this week, when I decided to give it a clean and run a roll of film through it. Before I went out, I popped the battery in and checked the metered prism finder. Everything seemed fine and all functions appeared good, although you cannot activate the shutter on the ETRS unless you have film loaded in the film back and attached to the camera. I loaded the camera with a roll of Ilford HP5. The ETRS will give 15 frames in 6 by 4.5cm in size to one roll of 120 film. I then went for a short walk around where I live and shot the full roll before returning home and developing the film in Kodak HC110 Dilution B. When the negatives came out of the tank, I was pleasantly surprised and happy to see how well they looked. The tones across all frames were beautiful. This also showed the metered prism finder works very well. This is a camera I think I'm really going to enjoy using.